Here we have the market recap from 10:17 to 10:21. This is the Russell 2000 E-mini contract. We're on a 15-minute chart here. Starting here on Monday, we had a trade off the bottom here based on our support resistance line. Now these are big picture signals. We had many trades in between here on a smaller time frames, but we're looking at just market dynamics, whether we're in a trending market, range bound market. As you can see here, we're in a very volatile range bound market. Excellent for reversals. So we're going to be looking at mostly reversals here. Had a nice trade here. Then we came over to the 19th. Here's where we were able to go ahead and draw our first trend line down. At this point we still have not drawn these two trend lines. We had a nice trade off here off the top on Thursday. Again here at the bottom on Friday we were able to draw this trend line at this point right here, the market action, and this would have been a good trade here too. It never touched the bottom of our line. That was cuspy, whether or not you would have taken that or not. Very volatile market open here, but it did have a bounce off of our horizontal support line here, but we won't, that is not one that we took, and therefore we won't count that. Here on Friday though, we had a lot of nice market action based on these trend lines we drew, and then these number of horizontal support resistances that we drew in the prior week. Two at the top here, very standard reversal signal here with a divergence, and then here we had a nice trade off the bottom here. So what are we looking at going forward? Well, this is a large triangle, large consolidation, large range bound market. This market will begin to trend at some time in the near future. Whether it's up or down, we're not sure. This is an ascending triangle, by the way. You can see by, if we were to go ahead and pull our ray out right here, you can see that we have here, and let's go ahead and get another ray going right here, and then you can see here. That is where the triangle is opening up as opposed to closing. So we can look for another point coming up here to touch the top here and look for a reversal there next week. But ultimately, this market is going to begin to trend. It's building up way too much fuel for a nice trend. At first glance, I would assume that this is going to begin to trend down, but we'll wait and let the market tell us that. The reason I say that is because it's a bit of a bear flag to boot. Well, it's a triangle, but it's a flag would be something more of this nature right here. This is a much larger situation. So we'll take a look at this. I'm leaning that the market will begin to trend down after it makes some new highs up here, but we will wait and see for that to happen. But we are looking for a trend soon, and then we'll start taking some continuation patterns. Okay, we'll see everyone next week.